All right, let us work on the construction of this isometric block as we have it here that draw the block in isometric projection as shown. We are just to replicate it as given to us here. It's very simple as we have done one before, which is this one. So let's see how this construction can be done. But before we go on that, so let's look at the dimensions that we have on this block. Here we have that from here to here is 40 millimeters, and this is actually an isometric, is a cube, it's an isometric cube. So the height from here to here is 40 millimeters. The width is also from here to here is 40 millimeters, and from here to here is also 40 millimeters. So every that we are going to be taking, or every measurement that we are going to be taking here is still 40 millimeters. All right, so let's see how this construction can be done. I'm going to make use of this space to construct this object, okay? So don't forget that we are making use of a 30-degree set square for this construction, as we did for this particular one that we can see here. So let's make a short horizontal line here, a short horizontal line like this. Okay, so let's indicate a point which we usually call lowest point in the construction of isometric object. Let's call it point A. Then the next thing that we are going to do is that we take the 30-degree set square, so setting it like this at this point. So you draw a line in this direction, and then you turn to this side. So turn to this side and also draw a line in this direction. Then you set this set square, set it vertical like this, and produce a vertical line like this. So on these three lines, we take the measurement of 40 millimeters. So because we are making an isometric cube as shown to us in the diagram. So let's take 40 millimeters from this point A, take 40 millimeters to this side, take 40 millimeters from this point to this side. This is 40 millimeters. And then from this point A, take 40 millimeters up this vertical line. So we have it like this. And then from point A again, so take 40 millimeters to this left side. So we have this to be 40 millimeters. So on each of these points, we are to draw a vertical line. So for this line, okay, for this particular one, we draw a vertical line like this, okay? And then so coming to this point, you also draw a vertical line from here, okay? Then you now turn the set square, turn it this way. So turn the set square, turn it this way. So bring it to this point here. So bring it to this point, and then you draw a line in this direction to touch this vertical line, and then you turn like this, okay? So bring it to this point also. So draw a line from this point to touch this line, and then so you come up here, come to this point here, okay? So draw a line from this point to go in this direction, okay? Then you turn the set square again, so bring it to this point here, so bring it to this point, and then you draw a line from here to touch this line. So if you look at what we have here, we have completed the object, but we still need to bring out the visible outlines and edges for us to be able to recognize what this object is. Okay, so we are going to bring out the visible outline, making this line a thick line, okay? And then we come here also, we make this line a thick line like this, okay? And then we come to this point, making this line a thick line like this. And then here in this direction, so we make this line a thick line from here to here, and then we make this line a thick line from here to here, and then we also make this line a thick line from here to here, and then coming to this side here, we make this line a thick line from this point to this point A here, and then we come up here, making this line a thick line from here to here, and then here also make this line a thick line from here to here. All right, so this is the isometric block that we are asked to construct as given to us. As simple as I've done it here, all you have to do is to practice. Thank you, keep on practicing, and God bless you.